Hello viewers, welcome to extensible.com. Now I am going to explain how to install Bludit CMS application on Ubuntu 17.04. First of all, Bludit is an open source extensible file-based CMS application that stores posts and pages by using the flat files. It allows the users to build a fully functional site or plugin on easy way. This article will explain the installation of Bludit CMS tool on Ubuntu 17.04. The Bludit CMS application requires a web server to functionally based on a LAMP setup on your system and also some of the PHP modules. I have already installed and configured LAMP setup on my system, so I have to proceed the installation of Bludit CMS application. Before we have to install the application, we should update the system repository using this following command. Then hit enter. The repository is updating now. Now we have to create a new database to accessing a Bludit application using these following steps. Then hit enter, and then here we can choose the password of root user. The database console is open now, and then here we have to create the new database. Here we can choose a database name, then hit enter, and then here we can create the new user and also give the privileges to accessing this Bludit database. Here we can choose the username, and then here we can choose a password for this user. Now we have to flush the privileges, then hit enter. Then we have to exit from this database console using this following command. Then hit enter. Now we have to change directory into the /temp, and then here we can download a package using this following command. Then hit enter. The package is downloading now. The downloading process was completed. Now we have to list out the files, and then here we can see the downloaded package. Now we have to unzip the package using this following command. Here we can mention a package, then hit enter. The unzip process was completed now. Now we have to list out the files, and then here we can see the Bludit directory. Now we have to move this Bludit directory into the following destination. Then hit enter. Now we have to change the ownership and permission for the Bludit directory using this following steps. Here we can mention a directory path, then hit enter. Now we have to run the following command to change the permission of Bludit directory, and then here we can mention a directory path, then hit enter. Then we have to run the following command to enable the rewrite module. Then hit enter, and then here it will ask for restart the Apache service. So we have to run the following command to restart the Apache service. Then hit enter. The service is restarted now. Now we have to create a new virtual host configuration to accessing a Bludit CMS application. And then here we can choose a file name, then hit enter. The file is open now, and then here we can proceed the configuring virtual host. After configuring, we have to save and exit from this file. Then we have to run the following command to enable the site access for a new creation of Bludit virtual host configuration using this following command. And then here we can choose a file name, then hit enter, and then here it will ask for restart the Apache service. So we have to run the following command to restart the Apache service. Then hit enter. Then we have to disable the default site access using this following command. Then hit enter, and then here also ask for restart the Apache service. So we have to restart the Apache service once again using this following command. Then hit enter. The service is restarted now. Now we have to open a browser. The browser is open now, and then here we can give the URL, and then here we can choose a local IP address or a domain name. I have to give my domain name. Then hit enter. The site is loading now, and then here it will ask for choose your language. So we have to click next. If you want to change the language, please click here and then choose your language. After choosing your language preference, you have to click next, and then here it will ask for choose a admin user credential. The default username is admin, and then here we have to choose a password for admin user, and then here we can choose a mail ID. Then we can click install. The site is open now. If you want to log in into the Bludit CMS application with the admin credential, please click here, and then here you can choose login. The login page is open now, and then here we can choose a username of admin, and then here we can choose a password for admin user. Then we have to click login. The site is open now. Here you can choose a major configuration modules for a Bludit CMS application. If you want to know the what is the version it has been installed Bludit CMS application on your system, please click here, and then here you can see the what is the version it has been installed Bludit CMS application on your system. These are all the installation process about how to install Bludit CMS application on Ubuntu 17.04. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. To more further videos, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.